Hello guys, have a good day. It's me again, Chief Miloy. So this time guys, I have something to share to you. The procedure on how to pull out and replace the friction pulley and friction boss of LO purifier. Why we have to renew this equipment na nakakabit sa purifier? It is because na hindi na maganda yung takbo ng purifier natin. No? Nag-i-slip na siya. Kumbaga, hindi na maganda yung kapit niya. So, I decided to pull out and check the friction pulley as well the friction boss. So, I have found out na yung friction boss natin is maluwang na. So, yung friction block natin, hindi na maganda yung kapit niya sa pulley. And also the friction pulley of LO purifier is malalim na rin yung kayod ng friction block natin. So, ito yung result kung bakit hindi na maganda yung performance ng low oil purifier natin. And also, we have observed the unusual sounds or unusual noise, no? Compared to doon sa naka-service na purifier. Kasi yung purifier natin is magkatabi lang FO and LO. And main LO purifier is there's something sounds na hindi maganda pakinggan, no? Medyo kumakayod na siya. No? And then, hindi stable yung amperahe ng purifier. So, we decided to take out. So, bago tayo mag-take out, so, siyempre, check muna natin kung meron tayong available na spare. Yan ang number 1 na gagawin muna natin. Bago tayo gumalaw, kailangan meron tayong spare na pampalit. So, ngayon guys, inaanyayahan ko kayo na panoorin itong pagpalit natin ng friction boss tsaka friction pulley. Kasi itong pagpalit nito guys is minsan lang, no? Is very rare na magpalit. So because of the long service of time ng purifier, so this is the first time that we have to replace this equipment in the main LO purifier. So pupunta tayo dun sa engine room to witness how we take out the friction pulley and the friction boss. So,
So guys, this is the body assembly of main low oil purifier. We have to take out the 4 bolts attached to the purifier. It is the driving motor of low oil purifier. And slowly take out, and now you can see the friction boss, and it is the friction pulley attached to the side of low oil purifier. So the first thing to do is to attach the puller, tighten it, the puller, to fit it correctly. And next is to open the inspection cover of purifier, where we can see the spiral gear of the purifier. So the purpose of opening this inspection hole is to put the spanner in order to lock the rotation of the spiral gear or the shaft while taking out the friction pulley. So now the spanner is already in place. So it's time to take out the friction pulley of lube oil purifier. So we have to take out it by force because this is the first time that we have to take out the friction pulley for a long period of time since the vessel is delivery. So this is the first time that we have to replace the friction pulley. So now the friction pulley is already take out, and it's time to check the surrounding where the friction pulley is came from, if there is damage inside of that uh, area of the lube oil purifier. So now guys, as you can see the friction boss, the distance and the damage of the friction boss. So with this condition of the friction boss, so we have to take out and replace with new spare because this is unusable condition. As I observe, the performance using this kind of friction boss is not good to the lube oil purifier. So we have to take out it and replace with a new one. Usually guys, in my own experience, I usually replace the friction boss, but this time we have to replace the friction boss and friction pulley because both of it is observed damage. The friction boss is severely damaged and the friction pulley is also scraped up with the friction block. So we have to replace both of this equipment so that the performance of lube oil purifier is going back to normal condition. So this time guys, as you can see, the new spare friction boss is already fitted. Tighten it so that it will not move during the operation of purifier. So it's time to transfer it to the purifier space. So it is the appearance of a driving motor attached with a friction boss. So now guys, it's time to install the new friction boss. So make sure and check that it is aligned with the shaft key and the friction pulley. So now guys, the friction pulley is already fitted and aligned to the key of the shaft. So gently push inward by hammering so that it can align to the shaft, and also check the distance is the same with the old friction pulley. So it should be the same with the new installed friction pulley, the distance of the shaft. So it's time to put the lock washer. So guys, before you put the lock washer, check the arm of the lock washer. It should be outward position, not inward position. so that you can easily tilt it using flat screwdriver aligned to the lock nut guide. So now guys, as you can see, the lock washer and the lock nut is already fitted, so it's time to take one arm of the lock washer aligned to the guide of the lock nut. This position is to prevent the lock nut to move or to loosen from the shaft. So now the lock washer and the lock nut is already fitted and in place, so it's time to fit it back the driving motor, and now put new friction block to the friction pulley, and put rubber band to hold the friction block not to detach from the friction bush. So it's time to fit it back the driving motor with friction bush and friction block. So now, as you can see, that the driving motor is slowly moving inward. That the friction bush is move inside the friction pulley, and now mounted back the bolt. As you can see that the position of the friction bush and the friction pulley is aligned. So tighten the 4 bolt of the driving motor. And now take out the chain block, and this time attach the wiring connection, the wiring supply attached to the wiring terminal of driving motor of lobe oil purifier. So make sure guys, when you attach the wiring circuit, it should be firmly tightened to avoid the loosening of the wiring circuit. And don't forget to follow the color coding. So this is the job of our port engineer Orita. So he is act as an electrician on board. So he was in charge of all the electrical equipment on board the vessel. So now the connection of the wiring circuit is in progress. So it's time to tighten one by one the wiring connection, and also don't forget to double check, same as the wiring terminal of the driving motor of lobe oil purifier. So now guys, it is the last wiring that we have to tighten it. So make sure to check before we turn back the cover of wiring terminal. So guys, the wiring circuit is already in place, and put back the cover. So it's time to run the lobe oil purifier. So now guys, we start the lobe oil purifier, and check the amperage. So it's low normal, and also we check the running condition of the purifier, the driving motor, the friction boost and the friction pulley. As you can see guys, this is a light smoke. This came from the rubber band that we have to put before we put back the driving motor to the friction pulley. So this time guys, you have to check the gear case lube oil. So now it's a normal level, and also check the load of purifier. So the output of lube oil purifier is 1,200 liters per hour. And now check the amperage of the purifier under load. It's normal, and also the control panel, it is feeding condition. So thank you guys for watching these videos. I hope we can see each other to my next videos. Goodbye and God bless.